Okay guys, this is what I have just added after I cleaned up, and I am going to do a video of everything I have for my fall decor. Yes, I still have a lot to do, but this was what I could get right now for you guys, especially since my camera died. I put my candle holders here because I may put me some candles up, and then that may leave and I may put that back up there. I'm thinking that's what I'm going to do, and then put that on my pedestal that I normally put it on every fall. And yeah, I want to thank you guys for joining in. I hope you are entertained and you like what you see. And reason why I don't have any throws on the couch is because I made some throws, some fall throws with these colors in there. All of these colors are in it, and I'm gonna put one on each end of the couch. They're quilts, they're throw quilts. So I finally learned how to quilt, guys. I've been wanting to learn how to quilt for a while, and yeah, I finally learned it. So yeah guys, I may show you, matter of fact, I think I may show you my bedroom. I don't show my bedroom because my bedroom is my privacy area, but I want to show you guys my actual quilt that I made for my bed, as well as really just a quilt for the bed. That's it. And the as well as the pillow shams that I made. So hold on one second guys. Okay guys, this is the quilt that I made for my bedroom, and it is the when I found the pattern, it was called African Queen. So I made her in different shades. I only pulled out, my husband is over here eating his Chick-fil-A breakfast, so I pulled out one quilt, one sham, and I left the other one behind the pillows. But yeah, I did one sham that dark brown complexion, and I did the other one in the light brown complexion. But yeah guys, this is my king size quilt, and I absolutely love it. I did the ties. I was not able to do quilting it because I don't have the machine to actually quilt it. So I did the ties, which is absolutely fine with me. And so guys, this is my vanity that I did. I took it and I actually refinished it. I wanted to restain it, but there was nothing. And forgive my quilt, I'm doing another quilt after I finish my throws. So I have another quilt that I'm starting on. But yeah, this is the antique vanity that I did. I'm not quite finished with it. I want to put some decoupage flowers on the front, and around the top part I actually want to fix this here, because as you guys can tell, this was broken and I did not realize that this was broken. So yeah, so that is about it. So again guys, I don't like to let you all in my bedroom, but I did because I wanted to show you the quilt, the shams, and the desk that I repurposed. And I told you guys that that was another piece of furniture that I repurposed. That area will become another video later, but as of now, this is the result of me cleaning up this area, shampooing the stain on my couch from my niece. She likes to play in makeup, and somehow she got some makeup and got it on my sofa. So I was able to get it back white, or beige, whatever color, but it was red makeup, and the kitty makeup stains horribly. So yeah, I still have to get this little stain up that one of those kids put there. But again, guys, now that we have kids in our home is actually a living space, a full living space. I have some sconces that I actually want to hang up on each side that I'm going to do. I got to spray paint them first, because when I bought them from the Goodwill, they were kind of chopped up and messed up, and you know me, I feel like I can fix anything, and I want to change the gold pictures out. I love them, but I want to change it out to something different. So yeah, all right guys, see you guys later, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this clean with me video. Yeah, I'm getting ready to show you guys what I got for the actual fall. Oh, before I leave, you know, my chairs are still drying. I had to do 2 more coats of the chairs. I just have to put these somewhere, pick up this stuff here, put the vacuum up and the shampooer up, and it's actually clean. I had my water there and my Lysol there and the Lysol over on the stove, but everything is pretty much clean. And guys, I'm tired. I'm gonna take a break. I've been at this for about 3 hours now. So yeah. And again, guys, I know I said it at the beginning of the video, but if there's someone you're upset with, forgive them, because forgiveness is not for them, but it is for you, because life is short. And I love each and every one of you. And if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you for hanging in there with me, sticking in there with me. And I know I'm not consistent, but I will become consistent. Just pray for me and keep me lifted up in your prayers. And if you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I love you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.